Hello, this is Ron Climer, and I'm with First Real Estate School in Hendersonville, North Carolina. And I call this the Black Shirt series. And the reason I do, I'm wearing a black shirt. But you know what that means if you need to know what that means. But I want you to write down this problem because I'm not going to leave it up here very long. I'm going to walk around here in a minute and I'm going to start showing you how to do it. And I'm going to have to take that board away. So write this down. XYZ Realty lists a home for $185,000. The commission is 6 3/4%. Now XYZ Realty has agreed to split the commission equally with the selling firm. Bill, a broker at ABC Realty, sells the property. If Bill's employer pays him 70% of the commission earned, how much is Bill's check going to be? So we want you to know how to do that, and I'm going to just move this over here so we can see the other screen, and I'm just going to walk over there and show you how to do this. So by the way, I told you I'm Ron Climer. I'm with First Real Estate School. We're in Hendersonville, and we want you to pass the first time. That's our intent, that you should pass the first time. So XYZ Realty has listed the home for $185,000. That's the price of the house. And the commission is 6 3/4%. And I assume everybody knows that 6 3/4% is 0.0675. So that is the commission rate times the price. And I've got my calculator right here, and I want you to do this with me. If you don't have a calculator, run get one. So $185,000 times 0.0675. So the commission, the total commission, is $12,487.50. $12,487.50 is the total commission. Now, ABC has sold XYZ's listing, and so XYZ is going to share that commission 50-50. So $12,487.50. By the way, they don't have to share it 50-50, but it says in the question that they're going to. And so that's all we need to know. So we're going to take, now the way I did this is this number here divided by 2. You could have times it by 0.50 and it would have had the same effect. We just want to figure out what half the commission is. And so half of that commission is $6,243.75. So Bill's going to bring home from the closing a check made out to ABC Realty for $6,243.75. Now, when he does that, he's going to get 70% of that money. So $6,243.75 times 0.70 is going to tell us Bill's share. And Bill's share is $4,370.63. $4,370.63 is Bill's commission. So that's probably, well, I think most of y'all probably knew how to do. Could you look inside that open door and get me a paper towel to erase this with? Most of y'all probably know how to do commission problems, and if you didn't, you probably wouldn't have come to real estate school in the first place. But that's what we have. Take a look at this new problem here. If a lot is 235 feet by 925 feet, if this property sells for $40,000 per acre, what is the price? So if a lot is 235 by 925, and that number there is a 2. If this property sells for $40,000 per acre, what is the price? All right, let's do that problem. And so
I can't turn it.
turn this knob. All right.
Okay.
So if the lot is area equals length times width. Everybody remember that? All right. Our length is 925 feet. Everybody knows that little guy means feet, don't they? Times 235 feet. So 925 times 235. Let me see what calculator says. 235 times 925, and the calculator says that this property is 217,375 square feet. So that property is 217,375 square feet. Now, we're going to divide this by the number of square feet in an acre. The number of square feet in an acre. Y'all remember how many square feet are in an acre? Square feet in an acre. How many square feet in an acre? Well, if you need to go look it up, you're in a bucket of trouble because you won't have anywhere to look it up when you get to the North Carolina real estate exam. There's 43,560 square feet in an acre. And you got to have that number memorized. It's 43,560 square feet in an acre. Y'all remember the 4 old ladies driving 35 in a 60-mile zone? My friend from Miami gave me that little memory peg. So 43,560 square feet in an acre. So we're going to take our 217,375 square feet. We're going to divide it by 43,560, and that comes to 4.990243. So that's almost 5 acres. So we got 5 acres of land at $40,000 per acre. All right. That number, I'm just going to leave that number in there, times $40,000, and the calculator says 199,609. But if the choices are 200,000, 250, 225, and 300, I think I'd go for $200,000. So we took the length times the width to give us the total number of square feet in the property. We divided that by the number of square feet in an acre. We got that number memorized, and that gives us the number of acres. It costs $40,000 per acre, and so that comes to $200,000. I call this the black shirt theory series, and because I want you to watch the videos where I'm wearing the black shirt first. And so I'm Ron Climer. I'm with First Real Estate School in Hendersonville. I wonder what that noise was. We're not in a recording studio, by the way. We're out in my front yard in front of my garage, so I hope this is not too fancy environment. Thank you very much for watching.